Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to prepare homemade chicken momo. This recipe is originated from Tibet and it's also famous in various parts of India. Before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Now let's look into the ingredients required for preparing this recipe. You need 250 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 250 grams of minced chicken, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, spring onion, chopped green chilli, butter, coriander, pepper powder, lemon juice, soya sauce and chopped onion. Let's first prepare the dough for momo. Into the all-purpose flour, add some salt. Mix it thoroughly. Now let's add water in small quantity and mix the flour. Ensure you add the water in small quantity and mix it thoroughly to form a firm dough. Now we can add 1 teaspoon of butter. Adding butter will make the dough softer. Mix it thoroughly and knead it into a firm dough. Now we need to allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. Cover it with a tissue paper and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's start preparing the filling for the momo. Into the minced chicken, add half a tablespoon of salt. Now let's add 8 to 9 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Half an inch of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add some finely chopped spring onions, 1 cup of finely chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Mix them well. Now heat a heavy bottom pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also use cooking oil instead. Once the butter is melted, transfer the filling into the pan. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. After 30 minutes, you can see the dough has become soft. Now let's divide the dough into small lemon-sized balls. Let's roll out each ball in small round shapes. Roll out each ball, keeping the center a bit thicker than the sides. Now let's place the filling into the center. Then seal the momo by pleating it from one end to the another end. The center is made thicker so that the filling doesn't spill out of the momo. Pleat it from both the ends. Then seal up the momo either in half moon shape or in round shape. You can prepare the momo in various different shapes. For the beginners, we will show you another easy method for preparing the momo. If you still have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button to get the latest notification on new recipes. After placing the filling, fold it into a semicircle. Press the edges tightly so that the filling doesn't spill off. Now roll it to form a flower shape. Now heat a steamer. Once the water is boiled, place the cabbage leaves. We are using cabbage leaves to get a good aroma for the momo. On top of the cabbage leaves, apply some oil and place the momo on top of it. Don't overcrowd it. Now let's close it and steam it for 15 minutes so the chicken is nicely cooked. After 15 minutes, the delicious homemade chicken momo is ready for serving. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please do try out and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. If you have still not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you guys.